If you need the information about the return flight, which command is to be used?
Transaction code AC, letter R for return, and departure date and time.
How can the transaction code, right? How can the transaction code AC can be used to view the flight information?
Transaction code is used to view the flight information is date, time, display type, and airline.
Right. If you want to see the flight information of another date, then which command is to be given?
Transaction code and AC. Transaction code AC. Then which date you will see in the flight you will enter.
If you want to see the flight information 4 days ahead, right? Which command is to be given?
AC4.
Right. If you want to see the flight information from 2 days ago, then which command is to be used?
AC -2.
Right. If the current flight schedule, in a current flight schedule, if you want to see the flight schedule of 6 o'clock in the evening, then which command is to be used?
AC 1800.
Right. If you want to see the Star Alliance flight availability from Delhi to Bangkok on March 15, then which command is to be used?
Transaction code AN, then star A, and date 15 August, and departure Delhi, departure date Delhi, and departure airport DEL and BKK, Bangkok code.
Right. If you want to see the flight availability of Sky Team Airlines Alliance from Delhi to Bangkok on March 15, which command is to be given?
Transaction code AN, then star S, Sky Team Alliance, Sky Team code, and date Delhi to Bangkok DEL and BKK.
Right. In a current flight schedule, if you want to see the flight schedule of Singapore Airlines only, then which command is to be?
AC /ASQ.
Right. If you want to change the origin city to Miami City, which command is to be given?
AC /MIA.
Wrong. If you want to change the destination city to Helsinki City, then which command is to be used?
AC Helsinki HEL.
Wrong. How many alliances does the airline have in world?
3 alliances.
Right. If you want to replace both origin and destination city with Miami and Helsinki, then which command is to be given?
AC MIA HEL. Right or wrong?
Can you please elaborate?
AC
is
transaction code AC, then MIA and HEL.
right. What are the 3 airlines in the world?
3 alliances.
Airline alliances.
One World, Sky Team, and Star Alliance.
Right. What is the code of One World?
Star O.
Right. If you want to see the flight availability of One World Airline Alliance from Delhi to Bangkok on March 15, which command is to be given?
Transaction code AN, then star O, and date, and cities code, and DEL and BKK.
Right. What is the code of Sky Team?
Sky Team star S.
What is the code of Star Alliance?
Star A.
Right.
or wrong?
Right. Both are right. Okay.